If you want to edit photos on OPPO Find X9, then what you can do is you can open the Photos app, and we actually have two Photos apps that we can use. In this case, I'm going to use this blue one. This is the OPPO's Photos app, I mean. And over here, we can open the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm going to select this one. At the bottom, you should be able to find this pen icon, so we can tap over here in order to start editing photos. And of course, over here we have like some cropping tools, some AI tools, some sliders for exposure, highlights, shadows, and so on and so forth. So you can start adjusting your photos quite easily over here. Now, if you made any of the changes, let's say I'm gonna apply like a filter or something. There we go. Let's press done. Then in that case, what you can do is tap on save. Once you are done, of course, with your photos, with the editing, I mean, you can tap on save in the bottom right corner. And we have two options. You can either replace the original or save the edited photo as a second copy. So in my case, I want to keep the original. I'm gonna save it as copy. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you actually use the other Photos app, this one is made by Google, then you can, of course, edit photos in here as well. You can just tap on the photo to open it, and then at the bottom we have the edit option. And then the rest is pretty much the same. Once you are done with any of these changes, then over here in the upper right corner we have save as copy. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.